Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and I went to a team meeting yesterday and saw a tip and technique, and it was with watercolors, and oh my gosh, I grabbed my watercolor paper and we are going to play. So I've got my watercolor brushes. Let's see. That's an alcohol one. This is a thicker tip, a littler tip. So I grabbed my pumpkin pie, and well, that's gray granite. I wanted an old olive, I think. So I'm gonna grab my, oh, I got pear pizzazz. That'll work. And then I think I'm gonna go with a calypso coral, which I don't have much of that, but so I'm just gonna take my pen and put it right on a clear block and kind of try and do that. So we will see how it comes out. This could be fun. I saw this and she kind of taught us how to do these leaves, and then I thought doing one of these peaches could be fun. We will see. We will see what happens. So, of course, if you wanted to order any of this stuff just to play with or to buy, or if you are really good at watercoloring, give it a go. Just go to jeanpersani.stampinup.net and then use the June host code. And, of course, I always have my classes, my June classes online. It's 25th of June at 10 a.m. We're going to be using the Sweet Songbirds bundle. So if you purchase that, you automatically get invited. You can get invited by buying that bundle. You spend $50 or more, or you're part of my team. And if you want to get in advanced, the Bottled Happiness bundle is in July. So go ahead and do that. We'll be having lots of fun. But for now, we are going to see how good of a student I am. So, all right, first things first. I'm going to try to do a peach. We will see what happens. So I'm using my bigger one here, and there's water in it. So you just add water to the base there, and we're gonna do a what she called a wet to wet technique, which means we're gonna wet the paper, and I'm gonna kind of do it in the shape of that peach, right? I can't see real good. Oh. And then I'm hoping we could add some of that pumpkin pie in here. Let's see what happens. And hopefully it's gonna kind of bleed a little bit. I don't know how much of a peach this looks like. But it's only going to go out to where that water is, apparently. We will see if this looks like a peach at all. So I'm going to add a little bit more water. And I do have a little bit where it's going to remain kind of white. Let's see here. I'm going to put some of that pumpkin pie on here, and then add some water, and then we'll add it. Oh, see, there we go. Look at that. That's beautiful. We're just going to add that, and it should stay within those lines of where we added water. get some of that dark color out. And I'm going to use some of that Calypso, so I'm just going to put that right on here. Ooh! Won't do that. And let's see how that works. Adding that lighter peachy color. Definitely does look a little peachy there, right? So I'm going to get rid of that. Then I'm going to get that Pear Pizzazz. And on this one, again, we're going to, well, you see that. Got to be careful of where you're putting that water. We're still going to do it. Gotta be careful where that water's going. Does it look like a peach? It's very abstract peach. But look at this water moving around. I must say, I do like the peach. Let's see how it holds up. I don't know. What do you think? We'll come back and try it again.